The Protected Disclosures Bill, also known as the Whistleblower Bill, which seeks to combat corruption by encouraging and facilitating disclosures of improper conduct in the public and private sectors, was on Thursday passed in the National Assembly. Stacey Carmichael was there and filed this report.
Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs Basil Williams, in whose name the bill was laid, said that government is on an irreversible path to countering corruption in all its forms. Arguments that the bill is deficient were discounted by the AG, who noted that it is unique to what obtains in Guyana.
The bill seeks to protect persons making those disclosures from detrimental action and to establish the Protected Disclosures Commission to receive, investigate, or otherwise deal with disclosures of improper conduct and for other connected matters.
Public Security Minister Kemraj Ramjatan reminded that Guyana has signed on to the United Nations Convention Against Corruption, and it is in this vein that the Whistleblower Bill was crafted. He expressed hope that the bill's passage will challenge citizens' capacity to speak out on wrongdoings and emphasize the need for public awareness.
These arguments as to operationalization cost and come to the realization that it is better to have these institutions of government, institutions of governance that is going to play a major role in creating that good life and better society in future.
Presentations on the bill were also made by Government MP Charandas Prasad, Opposition Chief Whip Gail Teixeira, MPs Harry Gill, Adrian Anamaya and Gillian Burton. The 7-part Protected Disclosures or Whistleblower Bill contains 32 clauses. For InfoHub, Stacey Carmichael.